Today is the day of the Platinum Jubilee Flotilla. We're joining the flotilla out of Hull Marina. There should be about 70 vessels involved in a processional run up to the Humber Bridge. Like any maritime flotilla, we're decked out with flags, and we've been asked to fly the Ukrainian flag in support of the Ukrainians and their battle against Russia.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
I'm really pleased just to see all of you here today. It has been a bit of an ordeal, I must admit, getting this event organised, but it's great to actually get to the day and find everybody here and joining in and celebrating this. The lead boat, which is the ABP's new pilot launch, I believe, Ooze, is coming up. On there will be Captain Phil Cowing and also I think the pilot master's on board. They will basically be leading the comms over Channel 72. We've crossed Hessel Sand. You've all seen the chart, hopefully. There are copies. If you haven't already got a copy of this, please grab one of these on your way out. It covers that very briefly.
We're trying to avoid towing if at all possible.
Yeah. Yeah. If you go aground, it is your responsibility. But one of the MVS craft people will try and help if they can. But obviously we can't guarantee if you get stuck high and dry. Unfortunately, that still sits with the individual skippers.
Yeah. Also, Humber Rescue are going to be on the river. We've got 3 boats out. We'll be monitoring Channel 72.
72.
So if anybody does, I've got a paramedic on board my boat. So if anybody has a medical emergency, if they just call on 72 Humber Rescue, we'll come and assist you.
Hey!
one. Pilot roll. Hull Marina, Ava Grace, go ahead, over. Yeah, we will now we've got settled down after being buffeted.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, ours to sail. If you want to follow Bondi Star in, that'd be appreciated. At the moment, choice is yours.
Yeah, see you later. Hi, Graham. Yeah.
Good fun.
Hey?
Good fun.
Yeah, cold.
Yeah, that's received, Seal.
Yeah.
I'll give you a shout when I'm ready.
You're on. Okay.
Yeah, that's all received material, girl.